Welcome to the Fuel Delivery System main components video. We'll have the opportunity to go through all the installation techniques. To relieve the fuel pressure, install the pressure gauge to the service port. Relieve the fuel pressure and put the fuel into an approved container. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Drain the fuel tank into an approved container. Remove the 3 screws holding the filler neck to the body of the vehicle. Remove the fuel tank protective shield. Properly support the fuel tank. Remove the 2 straps holding the fuel tank. Slightly lower the fuel tank to get access to the filler neck hose and vent hose. Remove the filler neck hose and vent tube. Disconnect the fuel pump electrical connectors and fuel lines. Lower the fuel tank. Clean the top portion of the fuel tank to prevent fuel tank contamination. Remove the lock ring from the fuel tank and remove the fuel pump. Be careful, as the pump bowl will be full of fuel. Inspect the fuel tank for rust or contamination. Replace as necessary. Remove the filler neck and inspect for any holes or corrosion. Replace the filler neck as needed. If the rubber hoses are good, transfer the hoses to the new filler neck. Position the new filler neck and tighten the 3 bolts holding the filler neck to the body. Make sure to properly tighten the ground strap. Inspect the upper straps and replace as necessary. Carefully read all the instructions before proceeding with the installation. Lubricate the seal and install the fuel pump to the new fuel tank. The module top cover is equipped with an index, which should fit properly at the exact position. Install the new lock ring, making sure the opening is at the index. Remove the old quick connect retainer clips from the module and install to the new pump. The fuel pump comes with a new improved electrical connector. Install the connector to the vehicle harness. Carefully follow the instructions found in the box. It is recommended to install noise insulator rubber on the new fuel tank. Remove the electrical connector safety lock before installation. Connect the connector to the fuel pump and reinstall the safety lock. When installing the fuel lines, make sure you hear a good click, making sure the fuel line is well connected. Lift the fuel tank high enough to connect the filler neck and vent hose. Now position the fuel tank and attach the two straps to the frame. Reinstall the fuel tank protective shield. Install a new filter to ensure fuel pump longevity. Fill the tank halfway with clean fuel to ensure proper pump priming. Reconnect the negative battery cable terminal. Before starting the vehicle, prime the fuel system by cycling the ignition switch several times. With the fuel system now under pressure, perform an undercar visual inspection for leaks.